just concluded National Conclave being organized by PGDM IB department today in collaboration with the Indian Economic Association, and I'm happy to share that we've successfully concluded it with almost 200 plus registrations for this event and participants from all over India, and I must say it has been a wonderful session to be a part of.
The session was very interactive and informative, and we have came across such a renowned and talented speakers.
This National Conclave will bring forward a change in the mindset of younger generation and educate them about what other changes can be brought forward to make India a greater nation.
Conversing and hearing to people who are a part of, who make the trade policy of India, and learning from them, hearing from them has been a great experience.
It was a moment of great pleasure to be part of this National Conclave, and I thank my teachers, my PGDM IB dean, for giving us an opportunity to be a part of this.